health advantages of mint tea and how to make it. Cools and soothes skin. Mint not only cools the body but is also good for skin. It may be used as a chutney, a garnish for summer cocktails, and more. Soothes digestive system. Ganeriwal believes mint includes a component called menthol that soothes your digestive tracts and helps keep acidity and summer lethargy at bay. Summer headaches and skin rejuvenation. She also recommends it to get rid of summer headaches. Mint has a revitalising impact on both the body and the skin. Mint has an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory characteristics, so you won't get summer breakouts, pimples, and all of that. Explains the author of the new book, The Belly and Brain Diet. Summer mint tea recipe. 1 cup hot water plus mint leaves. Steep for 10 minutes, strain and heat. A, C, B and calcium-rich mint leaves have antibacterial effects. It also boosts haemoglobin levels and promotes cognitive health. Mint leaves are low in calories and help in weight loss. Thank you for watching and follow us for more. Indian Journal is now available on your App Store. Download the app now and get all the impactful news on the go. Subscribe Indian Journal to stay updated with the latest news.